In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text in Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma and selecting the text layer you want to adjust. You can click it directly on the canvas or pick it from the Layers panel. With the text layer selected, look to the right-hand sidebar. In the typography section, you'll find the controls that manage how your text sits inside its bounding box, the rectangular area that defines the width and height of your text. Think of this box as the frame. Alignment determines where the text sits within that frame. Let's begin with horizontal alignment, which controls how text is distributed across the width of the text box. Left is the default and lines text up to the left edge, which is great for readability in most interfaces and paragraphs. Center places the text evenly between the left and right edges, which is helpful for titles, labels, or narrow components. Right aligns the text to the right edge, commonly used in tables or number columns. If you want clean margins on both sides, choose Justify. It stretches the spacing so each line, except the last one, touches both the left and right sides. To access Justify, select the text layer. Click the three dots in the typography section to open the type settings. And then choose the Justify icon. Keep in mind, Justify works best with multi-line text and a defined text box width. If your text is set to auto width, you may not see the effect. Now, let's look at vertical alignment, which controls where the text sits along the height of the bounding box. Top starts the text at the top edge and is ideal for body copy. Middle centers the text vertically, which is especially useful for buttons or badges where you want perfectly balanced labels. Bottom aligns the text to the bottom edge. And as you add new lines, the text will push upward. Vertical alignment becomes most noticeable when your text box has more height than the text itself. So make sure your frame or text box is tall enough for the change to be clear. That's all you need to align text in Figma. Thanks for watching.